You know, when it comes to cooking, everyone forgets one thing, and that is cooking just doesn't involve making food. It can mean other things too that people always forget. Like you get a chef who is a preparation chef. He just prepares the food. He doesn't actually cook the food. He might prepare cutting up vegetables or cutting up fruits or veggies, whatever it is needed for the chef. Hi, I'm Jay Simkovitz, and welcome back to Cooking with Jay Simkovitz. That's me, of course. Today, I'm going to do something totally different. Usually, I cook food, but today, I am making a drink. Because the reason for this is that everyone likes things that are fresh and new and innovative and that will be great for parties or even for friends or families to share with. Okay, as a person who likes to work out all the time, I like to find new ways of losing weight that I can get my water intake that I need, but also to help with losing weight because I have a hard time losing weight. You might not be able to see this, but if you can, as you can now, I have a big fat stomach. Now, the reason for that is because there are many health issues that I have that causes me to not be able to lose weight fast enough. I have a slow metabolism. So today I'm going to show you how you can drink your water intake because I got to drink a full one of these and a bit more. Okay, so this is 84 ounces plus I need all the way to 93 ounces. That's my water intake. But sometimes just plain water is nasty. So, the ingredients you're going to need for this is a 1 liter jug with water, of course, in it. You're going to need 1 full lemon again. As I showed you in the previous video, you're going to, for the detox water, as I will put it below the previous video, you need 1 full lemon, cayenne pepper, and your raw honey. Now, you must be wondering why cayenne pepper. Well, you know, cayenne pepper is a great way to lose weight. It actually helps you burn your fat. So, the first thing you're going to do is take your lemon and you're going to cut it up right down the middle. Let me show you that. Now you're going to take a half of it and you're going to cut it into pieces. 1, 2, 3. As it runs away from me. And the last one. 4. There's your 4 pieces. Now you're going to cut them into halves. And as you cut them in halves, you're going to add them to your water. You got to make sure you got no seeds in them too. Because you have seeds in them, you don't want people choking on them as they drink this. Cut it in half again. And remove all the seeds. And you put it right in there. So now we're going to cut these two. And of course, we're going to remove the seeds again. Got to make sure they're all gone. See? Just break them apart and add them into your water. Now you don't want to fill up your water too much because you might make it overflow. But that is okay if it does. See? There's the water. Now you're going to need your cayenne pepper for this one. What you're going to do with your cayenne pepper is you're going to open it up, and you're going to make sure you have a teaspoon. You just need a teaspoon of this because it is very potent. I mean, very potent stuff. So you got your water, and you can... Actually, you know what? Do half a teaspoon because it is very potent, as I can smell it already. So half a teaspoon in there, and you just mix it up. Now, yes, the water is going to turn a bit weird and nasty colors, but that's okay. That is expected, but it will still taste good. Now, the final ingredient that we all love is our raw honey. Our raw honey. It is the best. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of raw honey because it is the magic ingredient. It sweetens the water and it tastes the best with it in there. There's 1. And there is 2. Now you do the best to get it right off. Right off the spoon. Sometimes you can't. So you take a lemon wedge. And you just knock it right off. If you still got some on there, as I do, you can lick it off. That is great honey. And there you have your water. This is a great way to lose weight, but also to have a nice refreshing drink that will actually give you a nice kick, nice big punch in the gut. I mean, literally, it will suck away the fat. I mean, that's just how good it is. Okay, you can stick it in the freezer for 20 minutes, or you can stick it in the fridge for an hour so it can get nice and cold. But you know what? In the end result, what you're trying to do is burn all that fat, but also find a new inventive way of having a nice refreshing drink at a party that is going to help people lose weight, that are going to help people feel good, and that is just going to make them happy because there's honey in here, and there's lemon, and cayenne pepper is a great way to burn the fat. So, I'm going to drink some of this right now. Here's my glass, and here we go. Now, if you want, you can take out a lemon wedge. I'm using my hand because I'm the only one drinking this. But originally, you don't want to do this with your hand. You just take your knife, slice in the middle, and you be very careful. And you just garnish your drink with the lemon wedge. Actually, should be out the other way. And there you go. There's your nice, refreshing drink. Smells good. Well, to good health. And to losing the weight and burning the fat through the gut. Oh yeah, nice and spicy. That is good. That's the way to lose weight. You do that, and you will surely burn off the fat. But also, it'll be packing a punch at parties with friends and family. It's the best way to go. That's what you want. You want to make a good impression with your friends, families, and at parties for a drink that people will love and pack a huge punch. So in the end result, I hope you enjoyed watching this because every single time people think as a cook, you're cooking food. But sometimes it could be making drinks, even though they call that a bartender. But still, you can make drinks because you are actually using ingredients that you would cook with, but instead you're using them to create a nice fat-burning drink. So, please hit that thumbs up. Also, subscribe below. Hit that little red subscribe button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And don't forget to comment below. It's important to comment below. If there is something you want me to make in the realms of a drink or food or something, put it in the comments below. I will do that for you. And I will surely give a shout out to you by saying, hey, so-and-so asked for this, and I'm doing it today for them because they really wanted it. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking Squad. And remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.